Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad question. So let's start. What is the question here? There are some peoples in the hall. 3 by 8 of the peoples are boys. 11 by 15 of the girls wear spectacles. If there are 282 more girls than boys, they given two questions to find it out. The first one is what fraction of all the peoples are girls who wear spectacles? B. How many girls do not wear spectacles? Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this problem. 3 by 8 of the peoples are boys. They given there are 282 more girls than boys. 11 by 15 of the girls wear spectacles. Let the total number of peoples be x. Since 3 by 8 of the peoples are boys, the number of boys is 3 by 8x. The number of girls is x minus 3 by 8 of x. Since there are 282 more girls than boys, so the equation is x minus 3 by 8 of x minus 3 by 8 x equals to 282. X minus 2 of 3 by 8 of x equals to 282. X minus 3 to just 6. 6 by 8 of x equals to 282. We will take x as common. X of 1 minus 6 by 8 equals to 282. 8 minus 6 is 2. X of 2 by 8 equals to 282. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So x multiplied by 1 by 4 equals to 282. X equals to 282 multiplied by 4 equals to 1128. Now that we know the total number of peoples. Number of boys equals to 3 by 8 of x. We know the x value. 3 by 8 multiplied by 1128. 8 1 ja 8. 8 141 ja 1128. 3 multiplied by 141 equals to 423. Number of girls equals to 1128 minus 423 equals to 705. Since 11 by 15 of the girls wear spectacles, 11 by 15 multiplied by 705. 11 multiplied by 705 equals to 7755. 15 1 ja 15. 15 517 just 7755. So 517. So 517 girls wear spectacle. Now we are going to find the fraction. The fraction of all peoples who are girls wearing spectacles. 517 divided by 1128. 47 11 ja 517. 47 24 ja 1128. So 11 by 24. The number of girls who don't wear spectacles. 705 minus 517 equals to 188. 188 girls do not wear spectacles. If you have any doubts regarding this problem, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.